So, friends and family, we made it. I'm the third person to say that. We made it. The beautiful shores of Lake Como to celebrate with you all. And I can tell you it means the absolute world to us that you're all here to celebrate our love for one another. Chelsea Broadley. You are the envy of all brides. I don't tell you enough how beautiful you are, but today you really knocked it out of the park. You are my soulmate and my first mate. The last few years have been nothing short of incredible, all building towards this epic weekend to share with our friends and family. You are more creative, caring, and courageous than even you know, and together we are an amazing team.
Ciao. It's been such an unpredictable year and in some ways a bit of a struggle, and I'm sure very stressful for Ryan, Chelsea, Lane, Letty and anybody else who has put this marriage ceremony or marriage weekend together. But we're here and we're so glad to be here. And we are determined, absolutely determined, that we are all going to make this such a memorable weekend for Chelsea and Ryan.
Today we are proud to see Chelsea begin the next important journey of her life. The road ahead is not always smooth. Both your mom and I, as well as Ryan's parents, have faced many twists and turns to have such long-lasting marriages. We've each done our best to prepare and provide an example and foundation for your futures. You have so many adventures, opportunities, and so much joy ahead. Celebrate.
Chelsea, it's been a pleasure meeting you and your family. I want to thank you for taking care of Ryan and making him the happiest I've ever seen him. And lastly, Ryan, I love you like a brother. And like all big brothers, you've set the bar high. None more so than in your choice of love. I think your greatest achievement, the one you'll never top, and the only one that matters is sat right next to you right there.
Finally getting to marry your person tomorrow. I'm so incredibly excited for you both. Thanks for being the best neighbors, pseudo-parents, panda co-parents, and siblings that I could ever ask for. I love you guys.
having thus pledged your lives to each other and yourselves to each other, I do now, by the virtue of the authority vested in me by the Universal Life Church, pronounce you husband and wife.